Hi, my name's Harry and I'm a support analyst here at Tribeca Technology Group. And in this video we're going to go over how to change a password within Windows 11. So to do this, if you hit Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, it will bring up the Change the Password option. So what you need to do now is enter your old password. And then just below, enter your new password. You need to enter this 2 times. And it's quite important to include in your new password special characters as well as capitalised letters and numbers. And once done, if you hit the submit button, that should change for you and it should have changed successfully.